What a great little car, just arrived in. One that we've previously supplied. It is absolutely beautiful all the way around. Volkswagen Up. This is the Look Up version, five door, finished in pure white. What a fabulous little car it is. Very spacious little car, you could say. Ideal first car or just a little runabout. 60 brake horsepower. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate with amazingly low mileage of just 21,000 miles. Let's take you all the way around, give you a close up to show you exactly how nice this car is. Good sized boot for the size of the vehicle. You've got that false floor there, so you've got the solid floor there, you can take that out. Under the carpet, spare wheel, complete toolkit, split folding rear seats, nice and clean in there, not been abused and knocked about. All the bodywork is beautiful all the way around. It's got the opening rear lights on the doors. All the wheels, great condition. No damage to those. All of those in perfect condition. All down the bodywork. No dents, no scratches, no little dings anywhere. Again, the near side front wheel. Give you a close up. All across the front. Nice and clean. We do the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are, so nothing is left to chance. A nice close up to prove to you how exceptional all our cars are. And again, the offside front wheel. The stripes do just make it very nice on the vehicle. The final wheel there, again proving no damage. Beautiful inside, all the door trims in great condition. The upholstery is absolutely fabulous. As you can see, non-smoker's car, no damage to the trims, no nasty smells. Very funky interior. Electric front windows, interior adjustable door mirrors, and again the upholstery on the driver's seat. No undue wear, nicely embossed with the up on the seats. There you go, mileage of just 21,553. That's what it's done, 21,553, full service history. Amazing low mileage for a 2016 car. And interior, all the trims, all the dashboard. Got a satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connection. All nice and easy. All touchscreen. Nice and clear on there. Got voice activation. Got various settings on there. All the car information. Air conditioning. Both kids. Stereo CD. 5-speed manual gearbox. Just a great car. £20 road tax, so cheap motoring, £20 road tax, 62 plus miles per gallon according to Volkswagen. As I mentioned, ideal first car or little runabout. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, ask about home delivery, and you could have this on your driveway tomorrow morning. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments, low deposit, low monthly payments, and apply direct off our website. It's quick and easy. Read about our raving fans reviews, and just like this customer, you'll see why they come back to us time and time again to buy the next car. Spacious Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. The price you see is the price you pay. There's no admin charges or additional fees. Any further information, please give us a call. It's 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.